So the First Time Leader program is geared towards helping us become the best possible line manager, department manager, team leader we can possibly be. And the emphasis is on leader rather than manager. My role is to share the lessons of my 30 plus years of experience of running businesses, developing teams, leading turnarounds and assessing businesses for acquisition. In all of this, collectively, across the whole of my career, I've been involved with over 150 different operating organisations and environments. The key for us to be a great first-time leader is to really think very, very carefully about the people that we are working with. The people being our people, folks in our team, and our customers, the customers we serve. So that's the essence of this program, to provide you with a methodology, a framework for thinking about holistically about our role, our team, what we're trying to create, the feeling we're trying to create, and how we set about putting that in place. I will be encouraging you to reflect on your own personal capabilities and the way you set about your personal growth. Some other techniques that help you enhance the strategic impact. A set of modules that are focused on business acumen and leadership rather than on business administration. So it's a practical version and a very short, sharp, punchy version of an MBA. It's a journey of thought provocation and reflection over 3 hours. We'll be covering the business ecosystem in which all of us operate. Even if we're a not-for-profit, we still operate in a business ecosystem. We'll be covering numbers, a sense of finance for non-financial managers, also how to understand organisations so that we can quickly get to grips with the bigger picture in which we're operating. So that's what this programme is all about.